I've brought you to a very unique place, a place you've guaranteed not heard about. It is called
Memphis, but we're not in Tennessee. It appears on the Madaba map, the famous map of the Middle East found in Jordan. And this city was part of the famous spice route.
Woo! Look at that.
Aren't you glad you stopped here?
Very much so.
Jews and Christians share one thing. There's always the church or synagogue you go to and the one you don't go to. So this small town had two churches. Mamshit's history.
Wow. Do you want to go to the chapel? Ladies and gentlemen, would you expect to see something like this? You want to see the house? Okay, let's do the house.
Inside this very house, a massive hoard, the largest hoard ever of ancient coins was found. 10,500 silver coins. Who knows what happened to the owners?
You see it's got like a pointed edge to it, and there used to be idol symbols on the tops of the capitals, but they were of course taken off during the Byzantine period. And we have a treat in the fridge.
What could it be?
Oh, let's see. 12 minutes, 1.2 kilometers. That's how easy it is to come and experience the city of Mamshit. Welcome to the promised land.